Recently, CCEWOOL shipped one 40HC container of refractory insulation products to a UK customer with 5 years of cooperation. The order centered on 1200 degrees Celsius insulation soluble fiber blanket, together with 1260 degrees Celsius ceramic fiber blanket and 1260 degrees ceramic fiber board. These products will be used for furnace backup insulation, equipment shell insulation, local high temperature reinforcement, and composite insulation structures. CCEWOOL 1200 degrees Celsius insulation soluble fiber blanket is made from AES alkaline earth silicate materials and belongs to the Non RCF Blanket category. It complies with relevant GHS requirements, requires no carcinogen warning label, and has been certified by Germany's Fraunhofer Institute for Solubility and Safety. It is also classified by IARC as non-carcinogenic. This makes it a soluble fiber insulation solution better suited to European project requirements. High-temperature insulation projects often require multiple materials, not just one product. CCEWOOL offers a complete refractory insulation product system and supports one-stop purchasing. We can also provide mixed loading and container loading optimization based on product sizes and packaging methods. This helps reduce separate purchasing, improve container utilization, and make project preparation more efficient.
CCEWOOL R provides not only insulation-soluble fiber blanket, but a complete high-temperature insulation solution. The soluble fiber blanket meets our product management needs, and one-stop purchasing makes project preparation more efficient.
CC Fire Insulating Fire Bricks 2300, 2600, 2800, 3000, CCEWOOL High-Temperature Insulation Wool, RCF LBP PCW including blankets, boards, case boards, papers, modules, bulks, ropes, etc. Nationwide distribution covering Canada, Mexico, and surrounding countries. Contact us now for fast delivery. The most reputable brand in the high-temperature insulation fiber field for over 20 years.